Apple is sitting right inside my previous day 15 box this morning, and this is exactly where impatient traders get chopped up. Reclaim 327, 67 buyers might get a push, lose 326.40. Sellers can take it lower. Let's build the plan before the bell. Quick disclaimer: educational purpose only. No financial advice. Do your own research. Manage your own risk. Then let's get to it. What's good, YGO family? It's TJ. Today's lesson is short because the market is teaching a short lesson. When you're stuck between two lines, the job is to wait for the room to agree. And that's where we left off. We can see our pre-market though is already trying to make a move, but we're just gonna I'm gonna go through this and we're gonna get you up out of here so you can get to trading today. Um, Apple dropped hard as we see when it got up to 333, zone 333, 334 zone around the 17th last week, and then it dropped hard this uh, starting off this week. Um, we see now that it got stuck between the my two blue lines, which is the PD. That's where it ended yesterday. Between the two blue lines, uh, well, the two blue lines are set for from where it left yesterday, and so uh, we see now pre-market is like I said, trying to make a decision on where to go, but we don't guess around here. We wait for confirmation, so we'll see where the market opens. So today is simple: above 327.67, buyers have room; before below 326.40, sellers have room. Inside the box, I'm patient. If Apple reclaims, like I said, if Apple reclaims 327.67, not a wick, a real hole, like where it closed and then gives me volume up. I need to open the range high to break, retest, and confirm with volume before I trust it. You know how I do: up, retest, going back up with volume. That's my key to get in. And same for below. If it breaks, retest, and come back down, that's my key. So if it opens the first target going up, though, I mean, yeah, first target going up um, is my 331.28, then going to 333.71. Um, if Apple lose that 326.40, my first target is 323.68, then on the 321.29, and then if we got some more room, we still looking at that 318 level. Um, the red lines, the reason I use red is because they also act as resistance. So when it hits here, this will be a good place to scale out and see what price is doing, because it could come pull back for another to grab some more liquidity and to push back up to the 61, or it could drop down. So that's why I always say take profit when you get to that TP1. If you're scaling out, or let that one be. Just let the market tell you how far it's gonna go. Same thing. If it does this, my first going for my puts is 323.68. Then, like I said, if I would scale out here, the green lines mean they can also act as support. But we might can get down to the 61% of the fib at 321.29. Um, as always, I try not to trade before 9:45. That gives time for the market to settle and show me which way is what the true move is for today. So we'll see. We don't chase. We just we no guess. We allow the charts to tell me what it's going to do. And and just in simpler terms, this is what how you can look at it too. How many times have you made a call on a person, a job, or a decision while you were still stuck in the box, still in the in between, no confirmation either way, and you moved anyway because sitting in the tension felt worse than being wrong. So you're making moves in here, basis what I'm saying, and then you end up choosing wrong and it goes down. That's the trap. The box inside isn't punishment. The box is protection. It's the market or your life, or you can look at it as the market or your life telling you, I haven't shown you enough yet. Wait for it. Apple doesn't owe anybody a direction just because they're tired of waiting. So if it go all the way up until 3 o'clock, you just wait. So that's what we're trying to get you to see. Just wait for it. So neither does your next decision. So above 327.67, buyers have shown you something. Below 326.40, sellers are showing you something. Inside the box, you wait. That's not weak. That's discipline. I'm not predicting. I'm waiting for agreement. So as always, this is You Got Options. And if this has helped you, give me a like, subscribe, share it with somebody because we just out here trying to help as many people as possible. And if there's something you didn't understand, drop a comment so that way we can learn together, and I can probably give it to you, try to give it to you in a better way. But real quick, let me hit you with these levels before I'm out. PD above 327. Sorry, uh, I've been giving y'all the wrong number. I'm sorry. Let me get read quick. Sorry, get back to you. Above 328.13 has is which is above the PD 15. Above 328.13 is where I'm looking for calls, test and retest, breakout retest and confirmation of volume. If it breaks 328.13, I'm looking at 331.28 for my first take profit, and then 333.71 for my second. And if it still push, we might get up 336.40. But I wanted to give you that. And then below 326.40, I'm looking at 323.68. And then if it keeps going, 321.29, 318.13 if we keep one if Apple decides I want to go all the way down. So those are the levels. Hope this helps. Like I said, sorry about the mishaps about the levels I was calling out. But that's what we got this. So if you have any questions, again, drop it down. I hope this helps, and if it does, like I said, like, share, subscribe. This is You Got Options. Excuse me. I'm sorry. This is You Got Options. Study the levels, wait for agreement, trade with discipline. Y'all have a good one. God bless.